Namaste, Javins. Myself, Javin Dr. Barkha Khurana. In previous session, we had discussed what exactly biomechanics and kinesiology is. In this session, we will be discussing about the same, but we will also be discussing about the divisions and subdivisions of biomechanics and kinesiology. What exactly kinesiology is? Kinesis means the movement and logos means to study. So the science or the study dealing with the movements of the body or the human motion is kinesiology. Kinesiology also means the science of movement, including active and passive structures. Kinesiology also investigates the anatomy and organic processes in references to human motion. So whenever human body is moving, like if an athlete is running, so we will study what all muscles are working, how much energy intake is there, and at what angle, if somebody is throwing a ball while playing cricket, so we will see how much angle is being formed, how much force is generated while throwing the ball, and what all precautions should be taken so as to prevent the sports injuries. Now, kinesiologists are the people who study movements. They mainly study the musculoskeletal movement. Now, kinesiology is divided into two parts, anatomical and mechanical kinesiology. The mechanical kinesiology is also called as biomechanics. We had discussed about biomechanics in previous lecture. Again, I would like to tell you, bios means lives, mechanics means study of effect of forces on the bodies during static and dynamic situations. Static situation is when the body is either at rest or moving at a constant speed, whereas mechanics is also the branch of physics which deals with the interrelations between force, matter, and motions. So in biomechanics, we apply these mechanical principles to living structures. They can be animals or human beings at rest or during the movement. The mechanical kinesiology is divided into kinematics and kinetics. The kinematics is the detailed analysis of mechanical components of a motion without consideration of balanced and unbalanced forces that cause the motion. It is divided into qualitative and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis is naming and evaluating the human movement components, and it is non-numerical, whereas the quantitative analysis, it is counting and measuring of movement components. It is numerical. The other one is kinetics, which is just a casual analysis of motion with consideration of interactive forces that cause motion. It is divided into static and dynamic. The static is a study of body in a state of equilibrium caused by balanced forces, and dynamic is the state is a study of body in state of motion caused by unbalanced forces. Biomechanics deals with the locomotion system, which is the musculoskeletal system. The musculoskeletal system comprises of bones, joints, muscles, and other connective tissues. You all know what joints are. They, when two or more bones, they come together, they articulate together, they form the joint. And there are 360 joints in the human body. The bones are the framework of the body. There are 206 bones. The muscles are responsible for movement. They contract and they consist of 640 muscles. So we can summarize that biomechanics is the application of mechanical principles to living structures, either animals or human being at rest or during movement. Biomechanics is classified into kinetic and kinematic movement, and biomechanics also deals with locomotion system, that is the musculoskeletal system. Thank you. This is all in this session. I hope you understood this session well. And if you have any doubts, you can post a comment. This session is powered by Digital 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Thank you.